ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Welcome to Samveda E-classes. Hi students, I hope and pray you are all good with your studies. Today we are going to learn third language English class 7th unit 2nd. Students, before going to begin our today's session, please be ready with your textbook, notebook and pen so that what is being taught in the today's class. Okay students, I hope all of you ready with these things. Yes. Are you ready students? Yes. Students, here is a paragraph. All of you listen it very carefully. Ragava's father is a traffic constable. Whose father is a traffic constable? Ragava's father is a traffic constable. He wears a white and khaki uniform. His main duty is to control and regulate traffic. He generally stands on a raised platform and regulates the traffic by making certain signs with his hands. Who is generally stands? Traffic constable. Here, see students, on this screen, traffic constable generally stands on a raised platform and regulates the traffic by making certain signs with his hands. If any driver goes against the rules, he blows his whistle and stops him. If any driver goes against the rules, in that time the traffic police blows his whistle and stop him. See student, how the traffic police is doing his job on this screen. See students, have you understood? Yes. He fines her or him accordingly. He also fines people who do not wear helmets while riding two-wheelers and people who do not wear seat belts while driving. Okay students, have you listened it? Yes. Now I will ask you few questions regarding this passage. The first question is, who is a traffic constable? The first question is, who is a traffic constable? Yes students, your answer is right. Ragava's father is a traffic constable. Ragava's father is a traffic constable. Second question. What is the duty of a traffic constable? Students, do you know what is the duty of a traffic constable? Yes, your answer is absolutely right. His main duty is to control and regulate the traffic. Yes, nice response students. Next, we move through the third question and last question. Question number 3. Why are people fined by the traffic police? Why are people fined by the traffic police? Are you ready to answer me? Are you thinking about that? Yes, your response is correct. If any driver goes against the rules of traffic, then the traffic police fine them. Have you understood, students? The passage tells us, the passage includes so many things. It means traffic rules, traffic signals, traffic constables. Now, do you think about that? You have come any idea? Yes, you are right. Today, we are going to study class 7th, unit 2nd. Topic name is road safety. Yes, students. Before going to start today's lesson, we must know the meanings of new words. Combine no new words. Yes, first one is clarify. What is the mean by clarify, students? Yes, clarify means to make something clear and easy to understand. To make something clear, easy to understand. Yes. Next one is pavements. Pavements means raised path along each side of the road. See, students, on this screen, the picture of pavements. Pavements means raised path along each side of the road. Next one is pedestrian. What is the mean by pedestrian? Pedestrian means a person who walks on the footpath or pavements. Pedestrian means, see, students, on this screen, pedestrian means a person who walks on the footpath or pavements. Next one, zebra crossing. What is the mean by zebra crossing? Zebra crossing means broad white and black alternate lines across the road for pedestrian to cross. Shall we move forward, students? Yes. Next one is signal. Signal means any sign or action. Signal means any sign or action used for communicating some information. Signal means any sign or action used for communicating some information. Have you understand? Yes. Last one is amazed. Amazed means surprised. See, students, the man is surprised himself. Yes, students. Now, all of you listen what I am going to read. This is the first paragraph of the lesson of road safety. Okay, students? All of you ready? Yes. Shall I start it? Yes. One day, the grandparents of Anita and Anish come to the city from a village to stay with their son and grandchildren. This is their first visit to a big city. They are amazed by the crowd, big shops and displays. As they move from the railway station to their home, they watch the traffic police and signal sign, are very surprised to see. Have you understood the meanings of the new words? Now, I am going to read the first para of this lesson. All of you listen it carefully. Okay? Shall I start it? Yes. Are you ready? Yes, students. One day, the grandparents of Anita and Anish come to the city from a village to stay with their son and grandchildren. This is their first visit to a big city. They are amazed by the crowd, big shop and displays. As they move from the railway station to their home, they watch the traffic police and signals and are very surprised to see all these things. They ask their grandchildren several questions. Okay, students, have you listened it? Yes, this is the topic of road safety. These are grandparents of Anita and Anish. He is their son. See, students, one day the grandparents of Anita and Anish come to the city from a village to stay with their son and grandchildren. This is their first visit to a big city. They don't know the atmosphere of city. They came from a village. They come to the city. This is their first visit. See, students, in this paragraph, they are amazed by the crowd, the grandparents of Anita and Anish, by seeing all these things, big shops, displays and crowd, all these things amazed to them. As they move from the railway station to their home, when they are moving from the railway station to their home, they watch. It means they see the traffic police and signals and are very surprised to see all these things. In that time, they ask. Who asked? The grandparents of Anita and Anish asked to their grandchildren several questions. Grandfather, so many vehicles, how do people walk on the roads here, Anish? Grandfather surprised and asked to the Anish, so many vehicles, how do people walk on the roads here, Anish? In that time, Anish replied, Grandpa, people do not walk on the roads, they walk on the footpaths. See, students, this is called footpath. Here, people are walking on the footpath. People are going on the footpath. Okay, Anish told to his grandpa, people do not walk on the roads, they walk on the pavements or footpath. Next, grandmother asked, it should be difficult to cross the roads then? Grandmother asked to Anita, it should be difficult to cross the road then? In that time, Anita replied to her grandma, Grandma, if we follow the rules of traffic, it shouldn't be difficult at all. See, students, these are the rules of traffic signals. Anita explaining in front of her grandma, if we follow the traffic rules, it shouldn't be difficult at all. Grandfather again asked, what? Traffic rules? Grandfather don't know what is the rules of traffic. Grandfather asked, what traffic rules? In that time, Anish replied to his grandpa, yes, grandpa, look at how the people are crossing the road. See, students, how are the people crossing the roads? First we should wait till the road is clear. First we should wait till the road is clear. Then look to the right and look to the left and to the right again. When the road is clear, We should cross the road. Anita again explaining in front of her grandparents. See those white lines. See those white lines. They are called zebra crossings. They are called zebra crossings. While crossing the road, it is safe only there. It is safe to cross only there. When we are going to cross the road, in that time, we can move, we can go, or we can cross only on the zebra crossings. Anish again explaining. Grandma, look at those poles. Grandma, look at those poles with colored lights. Those are signal lights. Those are called signal lights. One is red, which says stop. One is red, which shows stop, which says stop. Second one is yellow. Yellow signal says get ready or prepare to go. Green says go. Anita again explaining in front of her grandparents. If we follow them, we can easily avoid accidents. We can avoid accidents. Grandma and grandpa very happy to understand the rules of traffic, signals, traffic rules and traffic signals. Afterward, grandma and grandpa exclaimed with joy, "Oh, children, we have quite a lot to learn from you." In that time, Anita replied. Anita told in front of her grandparents, "Don't worry, we will teach you." Anish again explaining, again telling in front of his grandparents, if you stay here for few days, you will learn all by yourself. Okay, students, have you understood the topic of road safety? I hope you have understood the unit. Okay. Now, vocabulary, the activity first. Change the first letter to form meaningful word. Here is an activity. For example, one word is given. The word is given. The word is cake. Change the first letter to form meaningful words. For example, cake, make. Okay, students? Are you trying it? Yes. You change the first letter of that word and you can make so many meaningful words. And you write it in your notebooks. Okay, students? Are you trying it? Have you understood? Have you understood? Yes. Yes. You are right, students. Cake, take, make. Nice response. Very good, students. Lake. Yes, you are right. Your response is right. Yes. Fake. Have you understood this activity? You have changed only first letter. After that, you make so many meaningful words. Take, lake, make, fake. Yes. We are going to the next activity. Students, see here on this screen, make as many words as possible from the given words. Students, I will give you instruction. All of you ready to listen it? Yes. You have to listen it very carefully. Make as many words as possible from the given word. The words may be of 3, 4 or 5 letters. Do not use the letters from the given word more than once in a word. Have you understood the instruction of this activity? Yes. You are genius students. Yes. Using of this given word, the word is pedestrians. You can make so many as possible as 3-letter words, 4-letter words and 5-letter words. Now, I will give you 2 or 3 minutes for this activity. Yes, students, you have to write it in your notebook. Okay. Are you trying it? Nice, students. Yes. Have you completed it? Yes, students. You are absolutely right. Now, check your words, what you have written in your notebooks. See, students, here 3-letter words, 4-letter words, 5-letter words, 3-letter words, pen, ten, sin, pin, 4-letter words, rain, date, tree, deer. Next, 5-letter words, train, trees, dates, tears. Okay, students, have you completed your task? Okay, very nice. Your answers are right. Now, it is the time for assignment. You have to complete at home. Okay, students, draw the traffic signal picture as you have seen. Okay, students, here I am going to repeat it once again. Draw the traffic signal picture as you have seen. Okay, students, have you enjoyed with this topic? Yes, I have also enjoyed with you. Thank you very much. Myself, Bibi Hazra, Government HPS Urdu, Shirwa Taluk Shahpur, District Yadgir.